Hi, hello. Today I have this eye look today. It's a halo eye with a little bit of colour in the middle, and I used the Bperfect Carnival palette, so if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so today in this video we are going to be using the Bperfect Cosmetics Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. I love this palette. I used it for the first time in another video and I loved this pink and the pigmentation on all the shadows. They look amazing. So the first shade we're going to go in with is this shade here. It's called Lit. It's a bright neon orange, but I wouldn't say it's actually a neon orange. It looks like this by here, so it does turn out a little bit different than in the palette. I have primed my lids with the P. Louise base in the shade 0, which is just a bright white shade. So I'm going to be taking that orange, and the only thing with this base, it creases quite quickly, and I don't set it because it's meant to bring out the pigmentation, but I'm just going to place this orange shade in the crease. Then I'm just going to blend the edges out slightly. Okay, so then I'm going to go into this dark brown shade called Rowdy, and I'm going to place this on the outer corner. And I'm also going to put that in the inner corner because we're going to be doing a halo eye. Been loving the halo eyes lately. So I'm going to go back in with that brown shade in a bit. I'm going to use the P. Louise base to cut the crease. I'm using the Real Techniques detail brush. Okay, so then I'm going to take the dark brown shade, Rowdy, again, and I'm just going to blend the edges of that eyeshadow base and also make the brown a little bit darker. Then for the middle bit of my eye, I'm going to take the shade Breezy, which is this like greeny blue shimmer shade. So then to blend that shade into the brown, I'm going to take the shade Envy, which is like a dark green. Under the eye, I'm going to go in with the orange shade, Lit. And I'm really going to smoke that under the eye. Then I'm going to go in with the brown shade and blend that with the upper eyelid, but not go all the way. Okay, so for the inner highlight, I'm going to take a mixture of the highlight shade, which is called Sinner, which is like a gold kind of shade, and then I'm gonna mix a bit of Moony in with that, just because Sinner is a little bit dark and then Moony's a little bit light. Okay, so now I'm just going to line my waterline a little bit with the Salt and Glory Supercat liner in black. Okay, so then for lashes, today I'm going to be taking the Tatti lashes in the style TL9, which I've used before, as you can see. They're just nice and fluffy, and yeah, so I'll be back with them on. Okay, so I've applied the rest of the makeup. If you want to know what's on my face, I have just reviewed First Impression a foundation. I'll link all the links below, and also in the eye I have a 12 days of drugstore foundation coming soon, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already and put the bell on so you know when that comes. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you did enjoy it to let me know, and yeah, let me know what you think about this look. Go follow me on my Instagram. I've recently changed my Instagram name and my Twitter name to Makeup by Liz Rose because I thought it made a bit more sense than Elizabeth Rose 96. So if you get a bit confused about that, my name is now Makeup by Liz Rose. So yeah, everything will be linked down below. I leave it to the moon and back, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.